In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. First method, uninstall apps using Settings. Press the Windows key and the letter I to open Settings. Click on Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Find the app you want to remove. Click the three dots next to the app. Select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm. This method works for most apps. Second method, uninstall apps from the Start menu. Click the Start button. Find the app you want to uninstall. Right-click on the app. Click Uninstall. Confirm the removal. This is the fastest way to remove store apps. Third method, uninstall desktop programs using Control Panel. Press the Windows key and the letter R. Type Control and press Enter. Then click Programs and Features. Find the program you want to remove. Right-click on it. Click Uninstall. Follow the instructions on the screen. Quick tip, if an app does not uninstall, restart your computer and try again. That is how you uninstall apps on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.